All right, guys, so I just kind of wanted to show you a little bit progress and updates from the project I did last spring. We've had tons and tons of rain last year, and this whole area was just flooded up until those pavers and then by the fire pit and over here by the side drive, the gravel driveway over here. So that was extremely flooded, and it was really in rough shape. So I didn't do any kind of leveling or aerating, anything like that. And I just wanted to kind of see, you know, was there something I could do that was going to be cheap, budget friendly, and easy to do? That's not going to take too much effort. But this is where it's at this year compared to last year. The whole thing was flooded, right? So I didn't touch this section at all. So I kind of wanted to do a comparison and see where we're at. So of course it's still a little squishy over here, but this is the worst section of the lawn right there. So it's not bad. Very containable, right? So over here, there's no puddles. I mean, it's not even squishy or anything. So if you scroll back and see one of my videos, what I did last year to remedy this, I took this shovel, right? And I just jammed it in the lawn like this, really deep, thin slats, kind of like an aeration process, right? More like a spike aeration. I didn't pull up any plugs or anything, but just really opened up the soil and helped drain a lot of that, because it was just a really low spot and it was a puddle for a while. So, but it worked really well, and I can clearly see the results from it. So check a look at that video if you find it. And then a couple weeks ago, as an extra measure or step, I found this pole laying around, and I kind of wanted to just jam some holes in the soil, right? Just to kind of open it up, and I didn't have anything to aerate with. So I just wanted to do that, kind of like a spike aeration. Obviously it's not as best as, you know, pulling plugs up, but what it did, I just slammed it in there on an angle, and I'll let some of that water drain down in there as well. So, but I just want to show you the progress. So that's pretty much it. It did a great job. So if you have nothing else and you notice some puddles in your lawn, you don't feel like leveling it or don't have the time for those bigger projects, find a shovel and just dig some deep slats in it and just pull the shovel right out, and you know, you might have some luck like this. So it worked for me. It may not work for your scenario, but that's pretty much it. So stay tuned for more videos, and please be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.